I'm sorry. Hi. I'm really sick, so my voice sounds retarded, kind of crackles a little. But you all wanted me to make guinea pig noises because I can do that. Unfortunately, it's probably my only talent. Well, but so yeah, I'm gonna make guinea pig noises. I don't know if I can do them because I'm sick. I haven't practiced. That was dumb. Alright, let's see. God, I look so stupid doing this. I don't know if that worked or not. Did that even sound okay? Could you even hear me? Can you hear me? Sorry, this sucks. Those are my attempt at guinea pig noises, but I'm sick. I hate all of you. Bye.